everyone. Today, we're talking about Feed Birds Day. Do you ever go birding? Birding is an activity where you observe birds in their natural habitat. When you're birding, it's important to watch the birds around you from a distance so that they feel safe. But we can help birds by setting up bird feeders. There are all different kinds of bird feeders, and different feeders can attract different kinds of birds. For example, blue jays might like a platform feeder like this. A sparrow might like a hopper feeder like this. Come check out what I've got in my backyard. You can celebrate Feed the Birds Day by observing what kinds of birds are in your backyard or neighborhood. Then you can ask an adult to help you find out what kind of food and feeder might work best for those birds. I love birds, and they're such an important part of our world's ecosystems. Happy Feed the Birds Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.